Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Welcome back everyone. For me, it is Saturday, May 16th, 2020, and it's weigh-in day. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm so glad to have you. I hope you'll stick around and become part of the Keto Chaos family. If you are here looking for ways that you can get started on your weight loss journey, definitely don't forget to check the About section below for all the awesome links on how you can get started. I definitely have a Facebook group where you can join us and get some information on how you can get started for free, or you can send me an email to ketochaos@gmail.com and I will send you my getting started guide. Now, first things first, today I actually have some fan mail that I thought it might be fun to open in front of you guys. So one of these I think is from a fan, just making a guess based on the packaging. And the other one I think is maybe from a company who wants me to try a product. Because, again, based on the packaging. So let's open the one from the company first, just for fun. And I thought, I could just open these on my own, but I also thought you might get a kick out of it since, you're here for my life update. And while I'm opening this box, I'm going to talk about how this week went. It was Mother's Day, and it was my daughter's 12th birthday. There was a lot of kind of stressful emotions surrounding my daughter's birthday because she had been planning on having a 12th birthday party with lots of friends, and this was the first big thing aside from dance competitions that we'd already given up, that we had to give up, that we were really not happy about. But her friends were awesome. They planned a little Zoom party for her, and they brought party favors and decorations to everybody's house. It was so stinking cute. I cannot even tell you. Day was made. But I definitely had some keto treats. I had a niche cake and some Smart Sweets and a Built Bar, some of my contraband keto items that I try really hard not to have. I also had Smart Sweets on Mother's Day, as you saw, and I ate all of those throughout the week. So it's not looking that great on the scale, and I'm still retaining water. So, what? Oh, no way! Oh. That I wasn't expecting, guys. I have a feeling a video is going to be coming up. Peanut butter cookies. Crud! How am I going to wait until I get to film a video? I hope it's soon. Peanut butter cookies. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I didn't know they were sending me that. One of the nice things about being an affiliate with Perfect Keto. I don't necessarily love all of their products, but I will say the keto cookies are worth every penny. They are so good. Okay, the next one is from Jennifer Richardson in Hurricane, Utah. And I'm I don't know how I feel about opening this. I'm kind of excited and kind of nervous. I have no idea what it could be. So first I'm going to see what the... Well, I don't even know if I want to show you this because I'm kind of bummed out. It's not what I was expecting at all. It's actually a product from a company I do not believe in or support. So I will show you the back of it. You may recognize it. I'm kind of irritated by that. I don't know why. It is actually a person I know in the past, I guess. She said, "Do you remember me?" I think I do. But, yeah. Sorry, Jennifer. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. So, well, thank you for the gift, I guess. It's hard because, I appreciate the thought. It's for my loose skin. First of all, I appreciate the thought. The thought definitely does count, and it's free product, and I do appreciate that. I'm not going to become an MLM person ever. Sorry. And I also don't believe in that stuff. I think it's another way of fleece our money, and it doesn't actually work. The only thing that will help with loose skin is time, genetics, vitamin D, maybe some biotin, collagen if you really want to try it, and exfoliating. Or dry brushing, that kind of thing. That's the only things that help with loose skin. Wrapping and outside gel product type things do not actually do anything. Sorry, Jennifer. Okay, anyway. So, moving on to my update. So, I felt like the week went really well, considering I had a couple of special days. And you know what? On special days, you have to eat. You're gonna eat special things, and it kind of ticks me off that I can't eat special things that are carby. That even when I eat my keto approved, special things, that I still put on weight. So I'm sure you can tell where I'm going with this one. So you may as well just get it over with and rip it off the Band-Aid. So let's get to the weigh-in. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 191.4, which is about, I think, 1.5 pounds up from last week. And these last 2 weeks were supposed to be my water weight wish weeks, and that did not happen. And I am freaking out a little bit because I'm now over 190. I've seen 190 on the scale more times than I really wanted to see it. So what do we do? What do we go from here? This is basically solidified in my mind that I'm going to have to do some kind of cut at some point in the near future. Now, I would have probably anyway, because I would have been overeating anyway, because I would have been doing downs competition season. I felt like I was really regular with the way I was eating for a really long time. And then all of a sudden, this last few weeks, something's gone a little haywire. Not necessarily just in my eating, but like in the way my body's reacting to what I'm eating. So yeah, I stopped tracking, but I really didn't change the amounts of food that I'm eating in my main meals, and a bite here and bite there maybe of other things, but I do try and keep them very close to my meal times. So I'm really not sure why this is happening. Anyway, it doesn't really matter why it's happening. It doesn't really matter. It's just that it is, and I think I'm just going to have to face the music and do a cut. So I guess just like I would have if it was a regular year and I overindulged during competition season, I'm going to have to go on a cut in June just like I did last year. So I am almost smack dab the same place that I was in May last year. And I went on a cut in June and got all the way down to my 200 pounds lost. I do not have that high and mighty of goals in my mind. I had to do an extreme cut in order to accomplish that, and I do not really want to stress myself out that much. My goal is to just get back into the comfortable 180s where I'm comfortable, and then going back to maintenance and just keep trying to figure it out. If I hit 170s, okay, whatever. I'm not going to like that. I'm not going to push it, but I am definitely going to start a cut in June. So, yay, me. Not super excited about it, obviously, but it's probably just going to be the way my life is. And maybe for the future, it's just going to be all the time doing maintenance until June, and then a cut, and then over the summer. Or maybe I'll find to do a cut in January. I just have a really hard time to do a cut in January because that's when I have really bad depression issues. I think I get safer in the summer months because I'm really having fun with my kids, and I'm out in the sun a lot and getting a lot of vitamin D, and I don't get depressed as much. So that is my current plans. For the channel, it's just going to carry on as regular. Obviously, you're going to be seeing some sort of, I'm guessing there's going to be some sort of awesome deal coming up for these new cookies from Perfect Keto in the next week or so. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that, though. I guess I like surprises, and I like cookies. They know I love cookies, so they sent me the right thing. I am definitely looking at some other companies, but I don't know. I just don't really want to sign up with like every single company on the planet. I have to really like the way they do things. I really like the way Perfect Keto treats their affiliates. They are very generous, and if it wasn't for them, I would have been in serious trouble this last month or two with this whole Corona thing ruining YouTube income. I've lost probably 2/3 of my YouTube income and all of my dance photography income, which for the spring, that's where I make all my money. I usually make all my money in the spring on my dance stuff, and I have had zero. But we're doing all right. We're getting by just fine, and we're pretty happy, and I hope that you guys are happy too, and I hope that you're not having sickness where you are. Our state went to yellow alert this week, as of today actually, and everything's back open. Dave says that it's like a madhouse out there. Me, I think I'm gonna stay home and wait it out as long as I possibly can, just to be further on the safe side. I'm a very healthy person. I have a really awesome immune system. I don't know why I feel compelled to stay home and not stress. Why I'm so stressed out about this. I never got stressed out about any of the other ones that hit. I just really have this feeling about this one, so I'm going to stay home as long as humanly possible, other than going to the grocery store. So thanks to Perfect Keto for keeping me in the goodies, and hopefully I'll be able to finish these off in the next couple of weeks before I go on my cut, because I won't be able to eat those on the cut. No. Too high in calories, I think. Too high in fat. I haven't looked at the macros yet, but peanut butter cookies, come on. All right, so I guess that's all I've got for you guys today. I'm so happy you're here, and welcome to all the new subscribers. I'm so happy to finally be going up on the subscribers rather than dropping like flies. At the beginning of this Corona thing, I dropped so many subscribers, I was like ready to give up. And also thank you guys for your support at my other channel, Hide and Seek. It has been a miracle over there. I've actually, our revenue on Hide and Seek, which is very small, has stayed the same and actually grown a little bit during the coronavirus time. And I have been so grateful for that. It's really kept me motivated to keep documenting our lives and sharing what's going on with us in crazy Chicken Ladyville. If you haven't seen, I have baby chickens coming out my eyeballs right now. So if you haven't checked that out, you should definitely go over there and see what's happening. So I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I hope that I'm supporting you and helping you to stay strong and motivated in your keto journey by making these videos every week. And thank you so much for sticking by me. Love you all so much. Air kisses, not real ones. We'll talk to you all again soon.